Hi, my name is Mark Williams. I'm a broker realtor at Circa Real Estate here in Houston, Texas. You know, when I moved to Houston, I lived kind of in the Energy Quarter Villages area when I first moved here. And then as time went along, I wanted to live in town, but I needed a bigger house. So I ended up moving out to Katy, where I bought a house big enough to raise 4 boys in. And once the last one was raised, I hightailed it back into town because I wanted to live in town. Suburbs are great, in town is great, but for me, I wanted to live in town once my kids were gone. And where I moved to was River Oaks Shopping Center South. It's a great neighborhood. When I moved there were more older homes than there are now, but it's undergone a great change, and there's lots of new housing in various price ranges, as well as some classic housing along the way. I loved living there. I love these tree-lined streets. I love their variety of people. I love their variety of architecture. You know, if you are looking to live in town, but you don't want to live just really like everybody else does, but you want a great neighborhood that has a sense of community and has a sense of flair, and also it can walk places and restaurants very close, River Oaks Shopping Center is one of those places you ought to consider. I'd love to help you figure out if that's a place for you. If you live in that area, I'm glad to help. Having walked those streets, I can tell you pretty much whatever house has been built in the last 20 years, what its history is, at least in some ways, who the builders are, if it's an older house, whether it's been updated or not. I would love to be of help. If I can, let me know. Text or email or call. Thanks.